How to unfollow everyone on Instagram at once. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you the procedure on how you can unfollow everyone on Instagram at once. So there are a couple of different methods which you can give it a try. So I'm going to show you one of the easiest and reliable way of doing it. So first thing, go ahead and log in into your Instagram account. When you're logged in, it's going to take you to the interface, which is going to look something like this. And then you have to go to your profile, and as you can see, in my case, I happen to have this number of followers, so it is quite difficult for you to go ahead and just do it one after the another by tapping on the unfollow button. So at once you have to go ahead and tap the try bar icon, and here you need to scroll down a bit, and then you need to go to settings and privacy. And here you need to go to the more info and support section and go ahead and press on help. After that, go to report a problem, and then you need to go ahead and follow the instructions, and make sure to follow the instructions and go ahead and select report a problem. So here you need to go ahead and type in the information, and once you're done typing the message, you need to go ahead and tap the send button, and it's going to take a couple of hours in order to respond to you. However, if you're lucky enough, then you'll be responded within no time, and then you'll have successfully removed all of your followings. It's not a reliable or convenient method, and you could also use a third-party application, that is, you can install AutoClick, which will help you to remove all of the followers. So for that case, head over to your Play Store and type in AutoClick, and right on this page you'll be able to see the instruction on how it works. So basically you have to go ahead and set this up, and accordingly you have to go ahead and select number of contact that you wish to remove it. So that's how you could go ahead and unfollow everyone on Instagram at once. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.